Welcome back, everyone. You may be having an issue with your pair of AirPods where, for some reason, even after resetting your AirPods are still not connecting fully to your specific iPhone. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. It happens to me every once in a while, and the main reason why this happens is because my specific set of AirPods are being paired up with multiple different iPhones at the same time. So, first of all, what you want to do is with the phone you want to go ahead and connect your AirPods to, you want to go ahead and put them kind of somewhat close to each other like this, and most of the time it'll go ahead and detect which AirPods you have next to each other. However, if your AirPods are also connected to a Mac, to an iPad, and to many other devices like that, even an Apple Watch, sometimes your AirPods may have a weird issue of detecting which specific device your specific AirPods are trying to connect to. So what I would recommend doing here is very, very easy. You want to go ahead and update the devices you're currently on. So go ahead and make your way over to your settings panel of your specific phone. Go and click on General, click Software Update, and you want to update whichever phone you're on. You also may want to update your iPad, Apple Watch, and possibly even your Mac or whatever other devices you have. And that's pretty much the fastest way to go ahead and fix this issue. Now, on top of that, let's say you did go ahead and reset your AirPods and you're still having the exact same issue. What I'd recommend doing there is flipping open the case like this, holding down the back button of the AirPods again, and we're going to go ahead and try repairing them. So resetting them, repairing them. We want to go and hold down that button on the back until the white light on the front starts blinking. And then what's going to happen is we want to bring our AirPods close to each other again like this. And most of the time it's going to go ahead and detect it. Now you can see for me it doesn't, probably because around iOS 16 or something. But essentially what we want to do is reconnect our AirPods back to our iPhone. And if you go and find them in the Bluetooth settings, you want to go and click on them, go and click whichever options you want, and majority of the time they should be reconnected fully. If they're still not working, I would also recommend your AirPods are charged up. So go ahead and charge them up, either physically plugging them in or wireless charging, whatever you want to do, and that should end up fixing it for a majority of people out there. If you still have any other questions or anything, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.